Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change a preferred language order on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on general. In here, we're going to go down and tap on language and region. And then when you want to reorder the language in here, you want to touch and hold. Then once it becomes selectable, you want to drag it up or down and then drop it in the position that you want to change and let go. And then tap on the continue button and say this will apply. Will restart the phone. So tap on the continue button to apply the changes, and the phone will restart if it needed to. And that's it. So you can see the phone doesn't actually get restarted. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.